Chiliz value equivalent to 1.8050 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.7499 1.8565. The earlier day close, 1.8006. The change was plus 0.0044, plus 0.24%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75, low 1.53. Chiliz gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.67 rands, high 1.79, low 1.55. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Chiliz gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75, low 1.53. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80, low 1.56. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.70 rands, high 1.82, low 1.58. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.67 rands, high 1.79, low 1.55. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Chiliz estimate on Monday, June 26, cost 1.62 rands, high 1.73, low 1.51. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69, low 1.47. Chiliz estimate on Friday, June 30, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. In about a month Chiliz figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75, low 1.53. Chiliz figure on Thursday, July 6, cost 1.66 rands, high 1.78, low 1.54. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.95 rands, excessive cost 2.01, while low cost 1.46. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.76. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.61, change for June 17.4%. Chiliz figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 1.61 rands, excessive cost 1.80, while low cost 1.34. They found the middle value of cost 1.55. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.44, change for July 10.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 1.44 rands, exorbitant cost 1.44, while low cost 1.13. They found the middle value of cost 1.31. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.21, change for August 16.0%. Chiliz gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 1.21 rands, exorbitant cost 1.40, while low cost 1.21. They found the middle value of cost 1.28. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.31, change for September 8.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 1.31 rands, exorbitant cost 1.31, while low cost 1.08. They found the middle value of cost 1.22. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.16, change for October 11.5%, Chiliz gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.16 rands, exorbitant cost 1.28, while low cost 1.12. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.19. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.20, change for November 3.4%, Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. If for all else cost at 1.20 rands, excessive cost 1.49, while low cost 1.20. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.39, change for December 15.8%, Chiliz conjecture for January 2024. If for all else cost at 1.39 rands, excessive cost 1.39, while low cost 1.09. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.26. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.17, change for January 15.8%, Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 1.17 rands, excessive cost 1.17, while low cost 0.91. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.06. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.98, change for February 16.2%, Chiliz conjecture for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 0.98 rands, exorbitant cost 1.00, while low cost 0.86. They found the middle value of cost 0.94. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 0.93, change for spring 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.93 rands, exorbitant cost 1.14, while low cost 0.93. They found the middle value of cost 1.02. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.07, change for April 15.1%. Chiliz estimate for May 2024. In the first place, cost at 1.07 rands, exorbitant cost 1.33, while low cost 1.07. They found the middle value of cost 1.18. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.24, change for May 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 1.24 rands, excessive cost 1.54, while low cost 1.24. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.37. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.44, change for June 16.1%. ZAR to CHC swapping scale equivalent to 0.5540 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.5386 minus 0.5715. The earlier days nearby 0.5554. Change for now 0.0014, 0.25%. ZAR to CHC cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.606 coins, high 0.654, low 0.5.